Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 11.4 question number 1. Given a cylindrical tank, in which situation will you find surface area and in which situation volume? Number A. To find how much it can hold. How much it can hold. In this situation, in this situation, in this situation, in this situation, we will find the volume. In this situation, we will find the volume. Number 2 or B. Number of cement bags required to plaster it. In this situation, we will find the surface area. In this situation, in this situation, in this situation, we will find the surface area. We will find the surface area. We will find the surface area. Surface area. C. To find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled with water from it. To find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled with water from it. In this situation, we will find the volume. In this situation, in this situation, we will find the volume. We will find the volume. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.